O uria matuko marathie noguo andu marahundukira kuhuthira kana kuria irio cia mikebe mugaru na uria makumitie irio cia unduire undu uria ukurire ugwati hari muingi. Riboti ya ica ikuhi ya guthurima wagiriru wa irio mathoko-ini yonanitie ati gicunji kia 90 hari 100 kia irio cia mikebe iria cionekaga cienderio-ini itiganite ciina muigana wa iguru wa maguta, cumbi ona kana cukari, undu uria uracungiriria mirimu miingi ya ihinda iraya. Riu thirikari kuhitukira minister ogima wa mwiri yugite ni arahukite guthugunda mawatho ma gwikirira ikiro itiganite kuri irio irahuthika ni muingi.
We want to define the maximum levels of nutrients of concern such as sugar, salt, and unhealthy fats. Foods exceeding this threshold are classified as unhealthy.
Uthuthuria uria wikitwo hari makiria ma indo 700 kwa muhiano indo cia kunyua, mucere, mithiguiti, indo iria ciumanaga na iria, maguta oro hamwe na indo ingi makiria ma gicunji kia 50 itikinyanĩire ikiro.
We are not asking what is the content of these foods. We have seen foods, beverages, snacks and dairy cereals that are meant for children with very appetizing cartoons that when you go with your child to the supermarket, that will be the first product they will pick. But again, our front of package labeling does not indicate whether this food is healthy or unhealthy. And these are the issues we really want to overcome.
Ona kuri uguo thirikari ni yugite riu ni guthomithia muingi uria ingikũrana indo ikinyanĩire niguo kunyihia mĩeke ya kunyita mirimu ya ihinda iraya.
It is developed will be to implement the clear labels indicating whether a product is healthy or unhealthy based on the nutrient content. We will want to know by probably the use of a color or something else that any food, whether it is the beverages or the snacks that are being sold in the market, whether they are healthy or unhealthy.
Ngiribotera Inoro TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Waithira Nduati wa Mwangi.